There is something we use in classic French cuisines called Arômes Patrelle. What is it? It's like burnt caramelized onion. And it comes in a bottle in 1 liter, and it's a black thick liquid. We use that to enhance the flavor and the color of brown veal stock. This product is not sold in North America. So let me show you how to make your own. Heat a pan on high heat. Add a little bit of vegetable oil, like a teaspoon. Move the pan around to make sure the fat goes everywhere. Then the onion that you cut in half, place it down in the pan, cut side down, and we're going to cook it for a couple of minutes here. Make sure it doesn't stick, and already you can smell the fragrance of the onion. It's fantastic. Can you smell that at home? Turn it off and place the whole pan in the oven. Bake it for about an hour until it really becomes blackened. So burn it. This is the only thing you're allowed to burn in the kitchen. Take the onion out. Flip. There we go. Deglaze the pan with some cold water and scrape the bottom of the pan in order to dissolve all the flavor from the onion. Get your stock pot. And dump it in. So, look at the color of the water. You see how dark it is? This is flavor.